Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make box text in Photoshop step by step. Apply two steps. First, apply step 1. Right click horizontal type tool, choose the text color and click anywhere, hold click, draw a text box, then type anything. Double click, select text, go to window tab, character, then show this character panel, paragraph fill, line spacing or up and down arrow key. And apply step 2, create a new layer, click on the rectangle tool, shape fill, stroke color, press enter, then draw a shape, down layer, use without fill or without stroke. Okay, then again choose type tool, then click on the shape layer, type anything or copy paste. Increase or decrease text size, show character panel, text size, text alignment, justify all text. Okay, or press Ctrl T, hold Shift, increase or decrease to this fixed size. Hold Ctrl. Okay. Again choose the shape layer without fill, only stroke. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.